Hey there, I'm your feng shui guide, the little dragon with small eyes but big wisdom. Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a super interesting topic. What is Bazi? The Bazi, or 8 characters, is an ancient Chinese method for understanding destiny and personality. Ancient wisdom held that our fate is shaped by energies from both the heavens and the earth. The energy from the heavens comes from the heavenly stems, while Earth's energy comes from the earthly branches. So, by analyzing the year, month, day, and hour of birth, we can understand a person's energy profile. Each Bazi, made up of these stems and branches, corresponds to the 5 elements to reveal fate and character. Each person's unique balance of the 5 elements influences their personality, home harmony, and relationships, creating a dynamic flow of support and challenge. Even today, people use Bazi to understand their personality, destiny, and life direction. What exactly is the heavenly stem, or tiangan? It's an ancient Chinese timekeeping system. The system includes 10 symbols: Jia, Yi, Bing, Ding, Wu, Ji, Geng, Xin, Ren, and Gui. Ancient scholars saw the heavenly stems as representing 10 natural energies. For example, Jia and Yi are wood, Bing and Ding are fire, Wu and Ji are earth, Geng and Xin are metal, while Ren and Gui represent water. These 5 elements interact dynamically. So, what is the earthly branch, or DG? Ancient people believed it represented Earth's energy. There are 12 symbols: Zi, Chou, Yin, Mao, Chen, Si, Wu, Wei, Shen, Yu, Shu, and Hai. Each symbol aligns with a zodiac animal, representing different energy states. Each branch marks 1 year, creating a 12-year zodiac cycle. Each branch also corresponds to one of the 5 elements. For example, Yin and Mao are wood, Si and Wu are fire. Ancient people used earthly branches to set farming schedules and rituals, shaping life. Combined with heavenly stems, they form the 60-year Ganji cycle, driving the 180-year 9-star energy cycle. In Bazi, earthly branches and heavenly stems together reveal a person's earth and heavenly energy. How do Bazi, heavenly stems, and earthly branches work together? First, you need your birth date, time, location, and gender. From this, we find your year, month, day, and hour pillars. Each pillar combines 1 heavenly stem and 1 earthly branch. Together, these form 8 characters, your Bazi. Each combination carries a unique balance of the 5 elements, influencing one another. Since Bazi only has 4 pillars, no one's elements are perfectly balanced. Everyone has a missing element. The year pillar reflects ancestral fortune, while the month pillar represents family background. The day pillar represents spouse and siblings, and the hour pillar represents children. Location also adjusts the solar influence, fine-tuning your Bazi. Let's look at this Bazi chart for someone born on April 15, 1992 at 9 a.m. in the year pillar. Metal supports water, adding intuition and adaptability. The month pillar's earth restricts wood slightly, hinting at occasional tension. The day pillar's double metal shows a stable but possibly rigid personality, while the hour pillar has water clashing with fire, reflecting inner conflicts. With strong metal and water, they're analytical and strategic, but may lack warmth and creativity. For health, staying active can balance emotional or respiratory issues. Relationships may improve with more openness, and adding fire and wood, like creative hobbies, can enhance harmony. Now, I hope you have a clearer understanding of Bazi. I'm the little dragon with big wisdom. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.